Welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ. I'm Stitch, and we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing today. So a good friend of mine that I've done some couple of videos in the past with, Derrick from Derricks AZ RC, had some issues with his Mojave, and so I kind of fixed it up for him and got it running pretty good. Redid the differentials and all that stuff on it, but in the process, he decided he wanted to hook SK Hobbies up, and so he got me the Mamba Monster X, the complete kit. So it's got the 1260 kV motor. It's got the AZRC ESC. It's censored, so I've been kind of leery on whether or not I wanted to go censored on my Arrma Kraton, but we're going to get this bad boy installed into the Kraton 6S. And we're going to make it a Kraton mini Kraton 8S. Not quite sure whether or not I'm going to run it on 8S yet. We're going to try the 3S and the 6S and see how that goes, and we'll go from there. But I'm kind of excited about having that censored motor to be able to ease in. Heck, I even might try throwing some crawler tires on this and do some crawling. But anyways, let's get to the unboxing here. Let me get you up top. All right, so in the kit, we got the motor and the ESC. So we'll start with the motor first. So it comes in the nice little individual packages. Of course, it's got some foam and some paper. There it is. So look at that bad boy. It's big. Let me show you it compared to a, this is the stock, what comes in the Kraton. Look at the size of that. That's the, this is a, the Firma 2050. So it's beefy and bigger. I'm excited. I want to see what this is going to look like once I get it in the system. It's going to be great. Also got me a little fan, the Horizon Hobby Dynamite fan, which it fits on there nice. So we're going to run that for now. I am going to get one of the bigger, the bigger AC units, we'll call it. It's going to set right on the top of that. So we'll get that going later on. I just want to get this bad boy installed and up and running. So let's look here. Now we got the ESC. This is the Mamba Monster X 8S ESC. Got some more stickers. And bam. There it is. Look at that bad boy. So we're going to get this installed, get it all tuned up, and then I'll bring you guys back for a final video. I'm not really going to get a whole video of me installing this and all that. You guys, there's plenty of the videos out there, and I think Rich Dupervash has installed this in one of his RCs. RC Dude 81, I think he ran this in one of his 6S's too. So this is going to be awesome, and we're going to get it installed. And you guys stay tuned. I'll have a video of once it's installed. We'll do a little bit of a tour of it. We're going to hear it start up and purr, and then we're going to go take it for a ride. And then hopefully I'll have it done by this Sunday so I can take this bad boy out to the AZRC Bashers event and see what kind of flippage we can get. All right, well, I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ. I'm out.